Another example. The example is given log of a with respect to base log of bc with respect to base a equals to x, log of ca with respect to base b equals to y, and log of ab with respect to base c equals to z. Then prove that, or then find the value of 1 by 1 plus x by 1 plus y divided by 1 by 1 plus z equals to 1. This can be questioned as MCQ. So here there will be 4 options: 1, 0, 2, 5. This find the value of this term of the reference side, and option is given that 0, 1, 2, 5. So you have to find the value of this term. Here, as we did the first question we did as the first term, taking the first term and simplified as some shortest form. Then the other two terms will be similarly, we can use the similarity and find the shortest form. Okay, so first we have to find this one term's value. This is 1 by 1 plus x, which is 1 plus x equals to given bc with respect to base a. Now to easily calculate we have to take this one as log of a with respect to base a, as there is in this term the base is a, so we take one as log of a with respect to base a. And bc with respect to base a. So applying the multiple formula, as the base are same, so log of abc with respect to base a. So also using the properties of logarithm, we get log of abc with respect to base a. Okay, so this term gives log of abc with respect to base a, and here is only base a, and abc is for the third all the terms. Okay, so similarly we can write as this term, as we get this term after simplifying, we get log of abc with respect to base b, and 1 by 1 plus z equals to log of abc with respect to base c. Okay, so the value is 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus y plus 1 by 1 plus z equals to log of abc with respect to base a, log of abc with respect to base c, log of abc with respect to base c. So, these all are abc and this is only a. These all are abc, this is only a. These all are, and this is only b. Okay, and this is abc, this is only c. This, as we will get, this is the terms we have found. Okay, so as the base are same, so we apply the multiplication formula, we get log of abc. As the base and value are same, so we get the value 1. Okay, I have given some exam homework also. Try it yourself. On the next day I will give the solution of the homework and give you some MCQ. Okay, so the next class will be the last class of logarithm. After that we will start a new chapter. Okay.